Hi everyone, Navin here. So welcome to Coding Wall. Today we will I will show you three views with one line code in Angular. I mean, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and leave a thumbs to my videos and hit notification button to get latest video updates from my channel and leave a comment below. So in this video we will have three different views to display like this. So on click of these icons I need to change the data UI in list card view, and this is the list card view, and on click of this it is showing thumbnail view, and here I am showing the entire image card view. So coming to the functionality, I'm passing a string here. So this is the functionality I'm taken. Change view is the functionality. So this is a single function and I'm passing a data like for single card view I'm passing as list, and on click of this thumbnails I'm passing thumb, and for the third one I'm passing image. So coming to the functionality, so here I'm storing this val into a display model display mode variable. So I have taken a ng if condition and I'm showing this. If the display module is list, I'm showing this content. Okay, same way this content. If I'm passing this one thumbnail, I'm showing this one. If I'm passing image, if I click on image like this, if I click on the image, I'm showing image part. So I'm passing a string on click event. In other side, function will come to know that what kind of view need to be displayed according to the string parameter. I'm assigning the value to the display variable so that it will change according to the variable value. So in this video I will show you from scratch how to display data in three different views. So please do watch this video till end. Let's go. So starting from the HTML part, we'll start with the give a section. This your class bg, just for the padding and all. So here inside one I will give I will give a class here. Here I will write click function, click event here. The event name will be change view, and for this I will pass parameter string called list. Okay, in the same way I will copy this and I will paste two more. And if you're wondering how I'm inserting icon font awesome icons, see here I'm using font awesome icon. It is in a CDN link, so you need to use the CDN link to display font icons. Okay, so don't miss this part. Coming to this, so I have already written the function in my TS file. Here this is the change view function, and whichever the value I'm passing, it will be a string, and I'm storing this in display mode. Okay, display mode variable. So and again I have taken a data data of any array of objects again. And I have few images I have saved in assets file. I can show you. This is the asset file and angular png. So like this I have stored some few of the images here because to avoid loading problem and all. So okay, coming to the HTML part, I will finish this off. Dot row and clg12 card, use card body, and here I will write a ngif condition. Ngif is equal to this, whichever the variable I'm storing the value here. I need to copy this and I will paste it here. If it is equal to list, first I will come with list, then I need to display this. Okay, for a change I will one second, p this is say single line view. The same way I will copy this, I will paste 3 in the below. Okay, so here I will change. Okay, I need to replace with thumb. The last one will be image. I'll copy this, I'll replace with image. We'll replace this with thumb. Next, coming to here, we will give a ngFor is equal to let item of. So here I am storing a value, right? There is a data inside the array of objects in with the variable data. So I will copy the data variable and I will paste it here. In the same process I need to paste it here, the same. And the bottom here I will change this because it is in a card view, right? I will give it here. I will show you why I am giving this. I will replace that and I will show you this also if you want. Okay, now here I will give image. It's a thumb, right? So I will give image. I need to, if you are passing a value to an src, if you have a data with a variable which is already image path. If you have an image path, for example, if you have an image path, you need to give, if you want to bind that to an image, you need to give it in a braces. So what is the name? Item dot img. Okay, like this. The same way I will give I'll copy and I will I need to give height and width, height of 50, then the same way width of 50. So I will copy this and I will paste the same thing here, and here I will give 250 and 250. Okay, coming to here I will give the CSS. So dot sort hyphen disp icon the margin 30 pixel 30 pixel. Okay, now same thing for icons. First we will check this one. Okay, got it, but everything is okay. I forgot to change the names too. Here it will be, I didn't got the exact icons for this, so I'm using some random things. I mean, uh, just a reference one. So if you search for FA icons, you will get the icons. So these are two attached. I mean, without any margin and gap. They are don't have space. So I will do one thing. I will give space between them, and colors too. So I will give font size first. Font size of 22 pixel, and I'll give margin of 10 pixel, and color, I'm giving color as RGB 29 168 and 192. Okay, it came to blue, light blue, and the cursor pointer, we'll save and check. Got it. Okay, so we'll check the functionality too. Yeah, and okay, I want to give shadow, and width was too big, so I will make it little smaller, and I'll give change left of 30 pixel, because card, each and every card, it's okay to margin on top of 20 pixel, which is a standard one, and width of 80 pixel. 80 pixel. Okay, sorry, it's not 80 pixel, it's 80%. Okay, and I wanted to give card shadow. So as I mentioned before, there is a website called CSS Matic. So this is okay for me, so I'm copying this and I will paste it here for card shadow. Then again, it is purely white, in white color, so I will change the color to PG, background color gray, and I don't want it to be fully gray, and should not be in fully white, so you give like this. I will save this, check. The color is not applying, so okay. It is coming up to here. I need to give height as auto. It should be full length, so position is fixed. Let us check. No, it was not happening. So with the with 100%. Okay, I need to give min width of around it should be around 1024 pixel, and 1024 pixel, and min height of 100%. if I remove this one also it won't be कुछ फर्क नहीं गिरेगा. Okay, done. So this is how it looks like. So by default I have given as I've saved the the variable. By default I'm giving a list as a by default value to the display mode variable. So list is coming right now. If I didn't, if I haven't given the, if I remove this one, it won't show anything because there is nothing to display, right? So here it comes to the thumbnail view. So here comes a card view, image card view. So in this way we can display view in a single line code. So if you like this video, please give a like, and please mention if you have any ideas or something, please mention below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.